guys, welcome back to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. Guess what's new this time? So recently we have posted some photos of some name tags and fridge magnets on our Instagram and Facebook, and we have received a lot of comments that you guys really want to know how to make one. I'm so sorry to keep you guys waiting so long. Today let's learn how to make them. Here are some finished products, and they are all made of our sublimatable plywood and hardboard materials. And I have prepared some blanks here, and these are my images, and I'm going to make a plywood name tag for myself and a hardboard fridge magnet with a cute polar bear on it. And I'm gonna apply two technologies today. One is sublimation printing and the other is laser cutting. So I'm gonna need one heat press and a laser cutting machine today. The heat press I choose is our mate heat press, and the laser cutter is our new laser creation cutter. It is a very multifunctional laser cutter, and we will soon upload a video to tell you more details about it. Now the images, the blanks, and the machines are ready. Let's do it. To make the name tag, I need to use our laser creation cutter to cut out my name and the back panel. I need to adjust the cutting speed and the minimum light and the maximum light on the computer and send the images to the machine. Now you can see the images are right here. After a very quick position checking, it starts to work. Only about 3 minutes, I have my name and the back panel cut out. Now is the cutting part of the fridge magnet. I have done the same settings on the computer, and I have sent the images to the machine. And I just need to check the positions, and I can start the machine. There might be some dust on the cut-out hardboard pieces. Don't worry, just peel off the films. This is also a necessary step before sublimation printing. Now all my pieces have been cut out. Let's move on to the sublimation part. Now let's do the sublimation printing. Here are my tools: protective paper, thermal tape, and glue. I need to stick the images first. When sticking this kind of picture with a black outline, please make sure it is in the right position. Now they are ready to print. For the plywood material, the printing time is 50 seconds and the temperature is 190 degrees Celsius. And for the hardboard, the time is 120 seconds and the temperature is 180 degrees Celsius. Before pressing, please remember to put on a piece of protective paper and put on the blanks with the images facing up. Now they are done. Last step, I only need to use glue to stick all the printout pieces together. And don't forget to apply a magnet sticker so you can stick it on your fridge. Now my name tag and the fridge magnets are done. I'm so excited right now because they are so cute and so well done. The printout image qualities are very nice and the pieces were cut out very precisely. Now you know how to make a plywood name tag and a hardboard fridge magnet. And you can also try to make some other ornaments by applying laser cutting and sublimation printing together. Hope you guys can enjoy the making process, and here are more finished products, and I hope you can find some inspirations. Cutting machine, and it is also a super multifunctional laser engraver. We will come out a video about it very soon, so keep following us if you want to know more details. I'm Alex, see you in the next video.